Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. We have been watching that the price line of Stellar broke down a very long-term support of a big rising wedge pattern on this weekly time frame. This was the support, the previous support, and the price line has broken it down, and now it is moving at the support of the 200 weekly simple moving average. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to move more down, or we can have a reversal from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And right now we can see we have broken down several supports. We were rejected by 70 cents. We moved down, broke down the next support of 55 cents, and then broke down the next support of 43.5 cents, then 35 cents. Then we had this 28 cents. This was a really very strong support, but the price line broke it down. Right now we are again at another very strong support of 18 cents, and previously this support level has been breaking as a resistance here. And we also have a very strong support of the weekly 200 simple moving average, and we can also see that since it has appeared, this 200 weekly simple moving average, for the first time price line is testing this support. Now if I place this trend line here exactly where we have this 200 simple moving average at 19.1 cents, 19.1, and to make it more visible, I'm just going to change the color of this trend line to yellow. And now if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see that we are having very nice accumulation above this 200 weekly simple moving average where I placed this trend line. And now we are on the daily time frame. We can see that we are being accumulated above this level of 19.1 cents where we have the 200 weekly simple moving average. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, as in my previous video I told you that we have formed this down channel. We have touch point here, and here as well, and we also have so many touch points at the resistance as well. Right now we are bounced by the support, and it is possible that we will test the resistance. For example, if we will test the resistance, move up, that will be approximately at 24 to 25 cents, and in order to get a early signal whether are we going to touch this resistance or not, we can watch on the hourly time frame. Here we have the formation of a descending triangle, and by the way on the daily time frame we can see that we have broken down all the simple moving averages with the 25, 50, this red green line is the 50, and 100 this red line, and 200 this yellow line. So once the price line will be able to break it out, this resistance of the down channel, then it will also needs to break out this 50, 200, and 100 simple moving averages. And obviously before this resistance, the price line also need to break out this 25 daily simple moving average as well. Now here we can see that on the hourly time frame, very small time frame, we have this descending triangle formation. Here we have the resistance, and here we have the support of this newly formed descending triangle. And right now the price line is reached the resistance, and you can see that the movement or the triangle is getting more and more squeezed. So soon price line can break out or break down the support or resistance of this triangle. Now for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then after this breakout, our next target, for example, if we will break out here from here, then next target will be 21 cents, and that will be very close to this resistance of the channel. Therefore, after breaking out this resistance of the triangle, the probability will be increased that the price line will make another attempt to break out the resistance of the channel as well. By the way, if we will break down the support, then we can move down to 17.4 cents. That will be approximately still above the resistance of the channel, and we can again touch or test the support of the channel. However, I'm expecting that this time Stellar can break out, and after the breakout we can have another attempt to break out the channel very soon. So next few hours are really very important. We need to keep an eye on this move of the seller. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.